Howdy, y'all. Sitting out here on this fine day on my reset, I was going to share with you something I've done for years. Your tires, check them cold. Get you a good cold temp. I run mine at 100 pounds. I've done really good that way. The other thing I do, put the gloves on here. You feel it. You don't want to feel cupping, dragging, flat spots. You find that occasional nail, you can pull it out. But that works. I was shown this years ago, probably as a joke, but I still do it, and it's paid off for us. It works really good. Like I said, I check them when they're cold. I run them at 100 pounds. Got good wear out of these tires here. My mistake was here. We blew one, so I put a new one on the outside. As you can tell, the inside one paid, and the outside one just wore down. So I should have went with 4, just bridged 4 across the back. I mean, the other 2 aren't that great. That's the other thing I was taught to do is, a lot of guys will put 4 tires across the back. Speaking of tires, I was walking around the truck stop and I saw this gentleman back in next to me. There's his left front steer tire. I mean, I'll leave the name off the door, but when I talked about a set of 4, this is what can happen. This guy is on the highway, ladies and gentlemen. Here you see 4 tires. You got tires on the back. Them tires real good on the back. And then, 4 across the back. And this is what can happen to the 4 on the front. I watched this driver come in. So, be careful out there, ladies and gentlemen. Take care, man. Let's take a look at his other steer. Oh, we got another new steer tire here. He put 5 on there. If you can save up your money and buy all 8, simply because you put 4 new ones on the back, you're low up here in the front, your back's going to catch up. The gentleman I learned to drive from swore by 8, because then you go in for your DOT, all your gauging with your tire gauges will be equal or the same, and that's what's easier for you. You put 8 tires on, you can go further than, oh, I put 4 on, I'm going to do 4 more later. So I hope this will help you out. Take care.